Eskerrik asko Bitxor, Xavier, eskerrik asko etxean Arcearren, arkitektura eta zura.
Again, these opening words are in Basque.
Arkitektura motor edo etorkusinaren gakoenet artean garrantzitsuenetarikoa dela. Ahalegindu gaitesan jarraituten bideo honetatik. Bueno, como bien había anunciado Bitxor, vamos a dar...
As Bitxor said, we're going to start with the Egurtek Awards, the 5th edition, organized by the Association of Basque Architects, Basque Egurra and Bec, with the support of the Basque government. There have been 93 projects this year, and the jury has decided that 8 of them receive awards in one of the 6 categories. As the minutes of the jury says, once the 93 projects have been studied at length, the members of the jury wish to highlight the high level of quality of the projects and the sensitivity in the use of wood. There have been 40 projects on construction, 33 on interior decoration, 15 on design, and 5 publications. The special Basque Quality Awards related to the use of local wood, there have been 17 proposals, and there's a new special award this year, expanding the horizon of the awards and looking at this region of the Basque Country-Navarre and Aquitaine. There have been 7 proposals. The jury is made up of Basque Egurra, the Bilbao Vizcaya Design Council, the Association of Designers and Decorators, the Official Architects Association, EIDE, Infoedita, López Rivera Arquitectes, and the University of the Basque Country. This jury has decided to award the following prizes in the following areas. The first special prize, the BEM Award, the Wood Award, and Víctor Oroza, the Regional Vice Minister for Agriculture, Fishing and Food Policy, will now hand the award to Arce and Iñigo Berasategui from Herriko Plaza de Mallabia. Arce is receiving the award.
Este edificio
This is a public building that uses wood as an architectural material to provide a public service in this space in a very subtle way and a very rigorous way in all the elements related to the project. Congratulations to you, Anne, and to the whole team. The second special award, Local Wood, the Managing Director of the Bilbao Exhibition Center will give the award to the rehabilitation of the medieval water tower in Leitza, Navarra. José Luis Franchez will receive the award. This impeccable intervention in the heritage recovers the original splendor and elegance of the medieval tower, respecting the traditional construction and adding refined contemporary contributions. Congratulations, José Luis. To hand over the award for the best publication, I would like to bring up Pachi Chocarro, who has taken over from me as rector of the Architects Association. And the award winner is Lander Uncilla with the project Building with Trees. The text Building with Trees is an admirable summary of the relevance of wood in human culture. It describes, surprisingly, the use of this material over the centuries by many different cultures. And this text is of exceptional quality and extremely brilliant, warm and of great interest. Congratulations, Lambert. To hand over the Wood Design Award, I would like to call up Berasategui, event manager at Egurtek, to hand over the award to the architects Raquel Arce and Iñaki Albistud for the design of this chair. Congratulations, Raquel. As you can see, it's a folding chair with a contrast between the essential use of wood and the logic of the assembly, and the emphasis provided by the leather backrest. To hand over the award for the best building, I'd like to call Óscar Azcárate, Managing Director of Basque Quality, who will hand the award to Martín González Cavia. Related to this project, the children's school in Estrada, Pontevedra. Martín González Cavia will pick up the award. It's three longitudinal strips that clearly distinguish between the various uses at the school. The building is a good example for public administrations when it comes to considering this type of use. It's a project that's well conceived and well executed. Please congratulate the team. And to hand over the honourable mention for interior decorating, Iñaki Lassa, the editor of Info Edita, is going to provide this special mention of This is Basque Design by Inés Sebastián Usue Pérez de Pipaón and Anchane del Río. This includes the implementation of a modular system, the structure of which, when it expands, provides a special character to the whole space. As Xavier mentioned, we have some remote awards, and we now move on to this virtual handing over of the awards. It's the Interior Decorating Award at Raval de Barcelona by Joan Casals and José Luis Cisneros, an interior intervention that proposes expanding the crossover between city and home to make a coherent use of wood seen from its structural function. Congratulations to Joanne and José Luis, who will receive this award. Good morning, we are Anno Arquitectura, Joan and I'm Pepo. We would have very much liked to have taken part in this event to receive the award, but it's been impossible because of the situation. So we would like to say that it's been a surprise for us to receive this Egurtek Award. We would like to thank all the members of the jury for giving us this prize, and I would also like to congratulate other award winners at this event. Congratulations, everyone, and eskerrik asko. Thank you very much. And the jury also decided to make an honourable mention to my house in wood in Lent, Nijmegen, the Netherlands, by Lidewijk Lenders and Marieke de Stege. Special consideration is given to the capability of the project to respond to current needs in dwellings, an example of good practice regarding the utilization of wood prefabricated construction solutions.
Hi, Bilbao.
Hola, Bilbao.
We are very proud to be awarded.
Estamos muy honrados de recibir ese premio.
It's a pity due to COVID that we could not come to Bilbao to receive the prize.
Y que nos da mucha pena que por el COVID no hemos podido ir y recibirlo en persona.
We hope you will find a lot of inspiration during this Egurtek.
Esperemos que llenáis de inspiración en ese Egurtek.
And we're looking forward to see you another time.
Y nos alegramos vernos en otra ocasión.
Bien, estos son los 8 premios de esta edición.
These are
Esperemos
the
que
8
dentro de
awards
tiempo
from this
los
edition,
tengamos
and we hope that in 2 years' time we'll have another 8, 10 or 12 awards. And I'd like you all to step up to take the family picture.
A los premiados que han podido recibir el galardón en esta edición.
We have the award winners that have been able to attend this event. Thank you very much, and continue building with wood.
Zorionak.
Congratulations.